Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk everything about aging, anti-aging and collagen boosting products. So there are several factors linked with aging and anti-aging. Genetic factors the most while aging process, because if your parents don't have much wrinkles on their face, you might not have. Not compulsorily, but there are higher chances. Skin type. If you have dry skin, then your skin is much prone to aging process very fast. But if you have oily skin, your skin ages very slowly. Like me, I have extremely oily skin and I am on my 30s, and you can see that there is no fine line and wrinkle on my face. But let's see what's there in future. Number 3, junk food. If you like to have more junk food, if you drink, smoke, then it causes aging process very fast. If you try to avoid these kind of foods and drinking, then aging process becomes very slow. Now, most important and most significant one is to use the sunscreen properly. If we use the sunscreen properly, it may help to lengthen the aging process much more. But if we don't use, it may cause the aging process very fast. Now coming to the collagen boosting products. What is collagen? Collagen is a protein that is very natural and comes to our skin naturally. But once the age increases, the collagen reduces. There are several products available in the market which claims like they can boost up the collagen level in your skin. But only the products can't help. To use the cleansing, toning, moisturizing process on daily basis, to use the sunscreen properly, to avoid junk food, drinking and smoking, these are the all things which can help to reduce and prevent the aging process on your skin. Not only the products. Recently I have tried these two products from the Tribe Concept. This one is the collagen boosting mask and this one is the collagen boosting Shilajitadi Tailam. So I will demonstrate it now how to use these two products that will help to build up the collagen level on your skin. You can see that my face is without any makeup now. I am using the Bioderma cleanser first. Then I am applying the Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub, and these cleansing and scrubbing are very important steps before applying any kind of face mask. And on damp skin I am using the collagen boosting mask. For making the mask I am taking the mask powder in a plastic bowl, then applying some lemon juice in it to activate the powder and some water to make a fine paste. And now I am applying the whole paste on all over my face. Once it is completely done, wait for some time to get it completely dry. And once it gets dry, wash it off with water. Then on damp skin use the collagen boosting Shilajitadi Tailam. 4 drops are enough for the whole skin. Then massage it towards upward stroke. Wait for some time to get it dry and you can see the glow. I have used the products and you can see how much glowing it is on my skin. Though my skin is naturally glowing and I have super oily skin, so it may look a little bit oily. So I would recommend this not to use the Shilajitadi Tailam on extremely oily skin like me. But if you have dry to normal skin, you can give this product a shot. The face mask is also very effective. As you can see, my skin is instantly glowing. But I would suggest, if you are expecting that after using collagen boosting products for 1 week or 1 month you can see visibly good result on your skin, then it might not happen, because collagen boosting products or any kind of skincare products takes time to react on your skin. Like minimum 3 to 4 months you need to use the products once in a week and if you have too much wrinkle on your face, then twice in a week, so that it can help and work properly. Well, this is my first full-length video, and I hope you have liked my video, liked the information regarding the aging and anti-aging and collagen boosting products. And if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I can bring you some more informative videos on beauty, skincare and makeup, which will be completely on my personal opinion and not any biased opinion or sponsored by brand.